Assalamu alaikum. Sorry, my name's Tim Domino. I belong to the Albany Majlis.
Tim Domino?
Yes.
Acha. What does it mean?
In the Christian faith, Timothy means honored by God, and my middle name is Michael, which means honoring God in the Christian faith.
So now you have been honored by God and blessed by God now by accepting Ahmadiyyat Islam.
Alhamdulillah.
It is again a great honor.
Yes, it's been a great honor.
So
It's been
you are not honored by name only, but by your deeds as well. Yes?
Jazakallah.
When did you accept Ahmadiyyat?
A year ago,
Year
in
ago.
October.
Have you started learning more about Islam now?
I've been learning every day, and
Prayer.
I've been blessed with all of my brothers teaching me.
Have you memorized Surah Fatiha, the first surah chapter? Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Do you recite in the...
I've not memorized it, no, but I do
Try to
have it
memorize
on
it and know the meaning of it as well. Because when you are offering 5 daily prayer, in every rakat, you recite this prayer, and then you can easily memorize it.
I know them in English, I'm still learning the Arabic.
We should try to learn Arabic as well.